Hello again, guys. Voila, that have been primed now. As you can see, you have a matte grey color. You see the difference between this and that? That is the original plastic, and then you will see when we want to paint on this with the embroidered color, this doesn't give the same result as if we have already primed. Same thing when we use the airbrush color for other part. I will show you that. Now look, all the parts have been primed. Not every single part, because the one who are unnecessary, the inside have not been primed, like the inside of those one. You see, only the outside, and not completely, because like I said, it's just to be sure that the paint is staying properly on the surface. Voila.